It's 8:30 a.m. Monday morning, and I'm going to Costco Business Center for the first time ever. Yay! We're here. I feel very excited. I see people loading up giant things of soy sauce. Never thought I'd be excited about like giant bulk items, but here we are, and I'm gonna get flour, sugar, butter, baking essentials, and then just see what else they have. Spoons. All right, so this is great for like restaurant people, bakery people. I don't have a physical location, so I don't need a lot of these. Ooh, whipped cream canister. Oh my God, this is like heaven. All these plastic storage containers. Now these I definitely can use. I think these are great. They come in different sizes. This one is an 8-quart. You get 2 for $23. And then you get various other sizes as well and shapes. So I can see these being used for like macarons, dual layer macarons, 6.3 quart translucent. This is probably amazing for royal icing, and I think I'm gonna have to pick something up. And then those containers are great for like your large dry goods. If you have a chest freezer, I would make a bunch of royal icing in this, especially if you're planning for classes, and freeze it. Wow, this place is huge. How much is this? 270 bucks. That's really quite affordable. I don't know what to expect, but they've got everything that normal Costco has, maybe even in larger quantities. So yeah, I didn't even think I could buy like paper here. They've got stuff for restaurants, like, but more. All right, so I know that the regular Costco has these parchment rolls, but we've also got pan liners that are like pre-cut sheets in here, and 1,000 sheets for, oh my God, it's so cheap. Also have a selection of wax papers in case you use that. Standard cleaning stuff, and then like a selection of different cleaning stuff. This place is huge. I think it's like 1.5 times the size of a regular Costco with more selection. I think that's the way that I would summarize it. For example, this is the freezer room. It's absolutely freezing and it's huge. I'm freezing, I'm shaking. They got small bags, packs of cream cheese. It's pretty cool. God, the meat selection is amazing. They have tripe, they have oxtail, which I'm definitely getting. They have short ribs. Pro tip for the freezer room, it's cold, so please move quickly, unless if you don't mind it, because I can't feel my fingers anymore. Oh yeah, meat selection is elite. You haven't had this? It's amazing. Stop. The mini 3.6 ounce Haagen-Dazs containers, bulk, all the rice I could ever want. A whole aisle of rice. This is very different from regular Costco. And whoa, giant chili crisp. This is very tempting, but I don't need such a giant jar. And the best mineral water, Topo Chico. This is tempting. And these are like the bigger bottles, 20-ounce bottles for $24.99. I mean, this is gonna be at every Costco no matter what, but ramen aisle. This is a pretty good selection of noodles, guys. All right, this is the aisle that I came here for. You know what's very cool? They have high gluten flour. They have different, I think, types and grades here that we don't have at the regular Costco. This is the one that I normally get, but I don't know, maybe I'm gonna try something else, like this all-purpose hotel and restaurant flour. I don't know. The regular Costco doesn't have, or well, mine does not have the big corn syrup. This is really great to know. I would get it here from now on, and I use cornstarch, so we've also got big cornstarch, which is very cool. Oh my gosh, and they have the 4 pounds of powdered sugar for $3.99 here. So no more sifting, but it is more expensive than getting like the loose powdered sugar that you have to sift, which is over there. It's a 50-pound bag. When it comes to powdered sugar, I actually get mine from Winco. It's about $1.68 for a 2-pound bag, which makes it cheaper than Costco, just in case you wanted to check that out and compare. This is cool. They've got a bunch of different kinds of syrups for like beverages and a bigger beverage selection. This is where you get the giant buckets of Nutella. I mean, and then all the food. This is incredibly overwhelming, and I'm gonna have to come back a couple times because I'm on a tight schedule. Way too easy to get distracted by all the cool things because they got blended like frappuccino like beverages. That's so cool. I'm like very into this place. More syrups, including sugar-free selections, which is very cool. The business center doesn't have clothes, and that actually makes a lot of sense because you're not really like buying clothes in bulk, right? So more food, bigger selections of stuff. It's great. So a pretty small supplement selection, which I guess that makes sense too because you can get whatever you need in the large enough sizes at regular Costco's. And of course, business centers don't have samples. I think that's correct across the board. In summary, visiting the Costco Business Center was awesome. And if you have one near you, I highly recommend it. There's not really a good selection of clothing or supplements. You can find those at your regular Costco. But there's a ton of options when it comes to restaurant and bakery products with even larger bulk items and more choices when it comes to staples like flour, sugar, butter, eggs, etc. The selection of meat, dairy, produce, and frozen food is incredible, and they have a bunch of coffee and flavoring items. Do you have a Costco Business Center near you? Would love to hear in the comments what your favorite items are. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.